Are you trying to decide between Appsheet and Power Apps? You're in the right place. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools for building apps without needing to code. Both Appsheet and Power Apps help users create applications quickly. They allow businesses to automate tasks and improve workflows. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Appsheet. This tool is known for its user-friendly interface. It lets you build apps using data from Google Sheets, Excel, and other sources. You can easily customize your app with features like forms and charts. AppSheet is great for users who want to get started quickly without a steep learning curve. Now, let's look at Power Apps. This tool is part of the Microsoft ecosystem. It integrates smoothly with other Microsoft products like SharePoint and Dynamics 365. Power Apps also offers a range of templates to help you build apps faster. If you're already using Microsoft tools, Power Apps might feel more familiar. So, what are the main differences? AppSheet focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for small to medium sized projects. Power Apps, on the other hand, is more powerful for larger organizations. It offers advanced features and better integration with Microsoft services. When it comes to features, both tools offer forms, data visualization, and automation. However, Power Apps has more advanced options like AI capabilities and custom connectors. AppSheet is great for quick builds, while Power Apps shines in complex environments. In terms of pricing, AppSheet tends to be more affordable for smaller teams. Power Apps can be pricier but offers more robust capabilities for larger businesses. In the end, if you want something simple and quick, go for AppSheet. If you need integration with Microsoft products and advanced features, Power Apps is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.